Yes, so now we are discussing about plastics business. In that, today we are discussing about PVC insulation tape manufacturing. Pressure sensitive PVC insulation tape is popular as an electrical insulation material. Insulation tapes are water, oil, and temperature resistant. Adhesives are composed of rubbery type elastomeric combined with a liquid or solid resin pacifier component. The rheological properties of the adhesive can be altered by the addition of fillers. Antioxidants are used to stabilize the adhesive against oxidation and light and heat degradation. Registration and license. Apply for the following registration and licenses from different government authorities. Registration with ROC. Apply for Udyog Aadhar, MSME registration. Apply for trade license from local municipal authority. VAT registration. Obtain BIS certification. Factory license for large scale manufacturing operation. No major pollution problem associated with this except for disposal of waste which should be managed appropriately. Take no objection certificate from the State Pollution Control Board also. And next point is finance for PVC insulation tape manufacturing business. You will need to invest at least 30% of total project cost as owner's allocation. Otherwise, for fixed capital investment, you can apply term loan and for working capital assistance. Next point is machinery and raw material. 1 meter working width adhesive coating plant for PVC tapes consisting of the following. Unwinder for primary, the web with tension control. Rotograver printing unit, dyeing tile 60 feet, length chilling roll, surface support roll, pneumatic or hydraulic web aligner, dancing roller, accumulator, rewinder, AC and DC motors, control cabinets, air blowers with the temperature controllers, etc. These are the machinery and raw material for PVC insulation tape manufacturing. And slicing machine completing with 3 HP motor, starter and circular knives. Atreator cum emulsifier 300 liter capacity with 5 HP. HP means horsepower, AC motor, 13 into 26 inches. 3-roll mass grinding machine with 15 HP motor, gearbox and starter, testing and lab equipment. The major required raw material is PVC film 100, procure rubber based adhesive, core for winding and packaging consumables. These are the basic raw materials you should purchase and you should have in PVC insulation tape manufacturing business raw materials. And next point is PVC insulation tape production process. Insulation tapes from PVC film rolls procured from the market. However, the manufacturing process essentially consists of the following major operations: manufacturing of the adhesive mass, application of primer and adhesive coating to the PVC film. And the next point is drying of the adhesive coating at the required temperature, cutting the film rolls into tapes of required width. The required length of the finished tapes are wound on cores. Next point is quality parameters depend on the following aspects: stickiness of tape, good stitching, adhesive should not be spread due to heat, long-lasting adhesion, water, weather and temperature resistant, also resist to acids, alkalis, oils and greases, etc. This is the information regarding PVC insulation tapes manufacturing. But one thing I will say, if you want to start independently means it is something capital intensive, and as well as you should have a project report in MS Word document. What step 1, step 2, step 3 likewise. what are the, where is the location is comfortable. For that location, for selling and purchasing, transportation is available or not, and what type of machinery you should purchase, and skilled labor where you should get. All these things, if you write a document, and more of the things is you should have the suppliers, the list of suppliers with contact numbers and addresses are most important. You should have a regular rapport with them to supply and to receive raw materials also. Then it will be successful. If you do all these things, you will get success in this business. So, wishing you all the best.